Hello, welcome back to the channel, my channel, duh. I'm gonna do like a weekend vlog, I think. Like what I do in the weekend. Yeah, the vibes today are like rainy. Can you see the rain on the windows or no? Am I dumb or like is the raindrop not there? I got this air fryer this week. I haven't used it yet. I need to clean it still, all that stuff, but it's like, my boy is a tank. So we're gonna plan some recipes for that. Maybe I'll cook a little dinner tonight. Probably not. I go to this little Greek like coffee shop that's, I don't know, like a 5-minute drive away. It is so good, and it's like so cute. You walk in, it's like the Greek family. I feel like I'm in like an episode of My Big Fat Greek Wedding when I walk in there because they're like speaking Greek to each other, and I'm just like, yep, a latte please. Thanks. I did munch on a muffin this morning, red velvet. It was good, okay? I've been working out more, and then I eat a muffin, like a fat. My room is kind of like a hot mess recently because I'm thinking of moving in the summer. My lease is up, and so I just have so much that it's like cramming it all into my room is an absolute pain. I got this Letterman jacket today from football. Let's see what she looks like. I've never been a fan of like wearing these, you know what I mean? Like it's just not my, I don't know, like I'm not like the jock type where I'm like, oh, I don't know. It's good to have hanging up. I need to clean out my closet. Should we do that? No. All right, it's 10:30. I think I need to do some homework and then clean my apartment, and then we'll figure out what we're doing with the rest of the day. Why are you like so dark? Wake up. There you go. I'm absolutely exhausted. And I want to go like for a run, like for a walk, like for a little jog on the treadmill. But no, I want to go to Coachella is where I want to go. I should do like another hour of homework, don't we agree? Till 12:30 because it's only 11:30 now. So do homework until 12:30, take a break, clean my room, clean my apartment, go to Whole Foods, thrive. That's the plan for today. You're welcome. Mwah. There's beans, avocado, pico, wonton things, corn, lettuce, and dressing. I might clean my apartment tomorrow night, not today. Today just seems like a get work done and just kind of be a lazy bitch. It's now 5 p.m. I haven't moved. I finished half of my stats homework. I'm gonna go to Whole Foods. I'm gonna make this week salmon and cod tacos. Not like together, like salmon one night, fish tacos the other night with like a salsa. Very fishy mood, I think, this upcoming week. It's supposed to be warmer out, so kind of fresh. I need a new phone case, guys. This is chopped. Anyway, let's go to the store. Whole Foods is my favorite place on earth, I've determined. The only place I'm happy is when I'm in a Whole Foods because you don't worry about anything else. Oh, I have to go do this, I have to go do that. No, I don't think about that. I just like shop. Like I just go to town on the Whole Foods aisles, you know? But it's kind of busy, and I'm not one for filming in public. Like my anxiety kicks the f in. So should I try, or should I give you a haul when I'm home? Slay. Oh, it was quiet in there, it was relaxing. I got everything I needed for this week except for the fish, which is the main part of each dish. But I did get ground turkey. It was on sale, and I love ground turkey, so I might do like turkey tacos instead of the, what's it called, cod. But I got dinner, I got sushi, which I'll eat when I get home. Anytime I go to Whole Foods and it's like dinner time, I always get like the cookies from the cookie bar. It's like my one weakness there, and I can't resist because it's just like a free-for-all, and I just get everything I see. It's like crunchy and like, I don't know. This is just like an Oreo pretzel. I don't know. Slay. And then, classic chocolate covered Oreo with sprinkles. I need a car wash. Like my car's been shat on like 3 times by birds. Like it's everywhere. Let's go home. Let's have some sushi. I just got home. Now we're gonna eat our sushi. I'm gonna do some more. I'm apartment hunting online, so I'm gonna probably do a little more of that. And then maybe do a little more homework tonight. tonight so that it's less tomorrow. Okay, I got this tsunami combo from Whole Foods. Whole Foods is the only grocery store sushi I trust. And I'm also like, if it makes me sick, make me sick. You know what I mean? Like, do I give a no? You guys should have said something that you couldn't see. Okay, put a little soy sauce. Did I spill it? Okay, slay. Supposed to fake tan today. That didn't happen. It's my new obsession, fake tan. Watch me eat, I guess, you perv. Apartment hunting in Hoboken. I love Hoboken, so I want to move there. It's on. This sushi is so good. This doesn't look that bad. Like, I could live here. Time to get ready for bed. I like actually look like a ghost. This is absurd. Let me put pants on and I'll show you guys. Okay, you're about to die, so I'm gonna say goodnight now, but I just got ready for bed. I'm going to bed. I'll see you Saturday morning, bright and early, dark and early, actually, 4:30. Good morning. It's 5:04 a.m. I'm at football now at the facility. I'm gonna go work out and then do all the stuff that we gotta do today, and I'll see you this afternoon, probably. Okay, so some things have happened. It's now 5 p.m. I got home like 3 hours ago, but I left you in my car on accident, like complete accident, I swear. And I went inside, I did homework, finished my stats homework. Well, I could get sushi with some friends, but I don't know that I want to do that. Like, nothing personal against them. It's just, I might just want to stay in, you know? Make a little salad, watch a nice little sad movie, read a book. We all know none of this is gonna happen. Let's go to Target. I came to Target for a Celsius. What, didn't they have a single can of Celsius? Like, not a single can. Not one! Not a single one! I checked every aisle in that store. Like, I shit you not, every aisle. Every, like, misplaced can, I peeked through. Not a Celsius. It's like they were banned. Whatever. Yay. No, stop. It's not funny. Good morning. Why is my phone on? Oh, it's on TikTok. It's like 7:30. Sundays are undoubtedly my favorite day. I spray tan last night. You can't tell. I look like an egg. Oh my. Why is it so bright? I love the vibe of like when your windows have light coming in, but you're not like, they're not open. So my fake tan on my sheets is absurd.
Like I commented on Erewhon when was it, I think Olivia Rodrigo when she came to loves Olivia.
That looks better. I feel better. Now I feel more equipped to work. Alright, so I'm just gonna be camped out here for like an hour. Let's find a show to watch. You know when you eat early in the morning, does it not make you want to eat more throughout the day? Like, I've always realized that. But meanwhile, if I don't eat until like noon or 1, then I eat less in the day. Like, if I start eating at 6 a.m., then I'm going to eat from 6 a.m. on, because I'm going to be like, oh, I want a little snack. I want a little this. I want a little that. Meanwhile, if I don't start till 1, honey, we're going to be skinny the next day. Cheers. Okay, it's now 8:43 in the morning. I scheduled an apartment tour for Larry today, so we're going to go tour an apartment. The apartment I'm staying is like in a high-rise, and it's a self-guided tour, so I'll bring you along. So my coffee just spilled like all over my remote. I'm drying it off. It was just marinating in the coffee juices. So. I'm gonna go to a coffee shop and then get some work done before we tour the apartment. Okay, I have my backpack. Now we're just gonna go do work. It's so nice outside, guys. It's, what is it? 73 degrees. Are you shitting me right now? So the coffee shop I was gonna go to didn't have parking. So I drove past it and I took a right down some random street, like 2 blocks over. And I found this other cool coffee shop that I'm about to go chill at. So let's go see how it is. Yay, okay. You sit there. Time to go look at this apartment. What the f, where were we? That coffee shop was nice. It was very vibey inside. The food looked amazing. The lady in front of me, I went, and every time I go to a coffee shop, I always get like a croissant of some sort, a croissant. The last chocolate croissant was snatched from me by the lady in front of me, which is fine. Like, she probably needed it, deserved it more, whatever. It's because I had a cookie last night, honestly. It's probably like sabotage for eating a cookie like a fat. Okay, the drive over to this apartment is like 2 minutes, so we're gonna go make that trek and then go in. I want to go early. I want to see if they'll let me go early. Because to be honest, like I'm not trying to just vibe in my car for another 40 minutes. Like, let me the out. I've just been rambling this whole video, so I apologize. Parks, time to go. I like this part of New Brunswick because it's like quieter, kind of, and it's less like hustle bustle, and it's in like a little nicer area. So let's walk and go see it. Yay! Wowee. So you walk in. There's the kitchen, sleigh, the front door, and then a view of downtown. The bedroom, good size, not crazy, but at least it has a view, like hello. And then closet. Damn, closet is huge, holy crap. Look at this. Can you see me? Holy crap. Okay, sleigh. I also love how tall the ceilings are. And then appliances are nice. Here's the bathroom. Shower. It's a tub, which I don't love, but that's fine. What's this? Okay. Nice little laundry room. And then I think another closet. Ooh, closet. I'm the type where when I see something I want, like I'm set on it, and I'm pretty set on this. Look at this. This is like, for where I live in New Brunswick, it's really nice. And the ceilings are so tall, and it's so bright for like filming and stuff, it's awesome. Wait, let me see what it's like with all the lights on. Oh, there's no recessed lighting in the living room or in the bedroom. That's kind of a bummer. And then this is like the deck. It's locked right now, but there's a pool up there and everything else. Then the gym. And then another little like studio in there. I'm gonna make breakfast tacos, but it's 2 p.m. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add the eggs in now. Let's throw a little onion. I'm gonna do like some with cilantro. What the f am I saying? Sriracha. Okay, I'm just gonna sit and do homework for the next 4 hours until tonight, probably. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. If you watched this far, make sure to follow me on all my other social medias. Link down below. My beacon, Jake Eldridge, pretty much everywhere. A lot of trips in a few weeks coming up, so a lot of travel content soon. Yay! I'm excited. I love you, and thank you for watching.